Through its jamming pods, the Growler can disrupt military electronic systems to protect our personnel and to improve our situational awareness. The Growler, alongside the F-35A Joint Strike Fighter, will form the centre of the ADF future potent air combat and airstrike capability.
It's our job now to bring that to Australia and understand what it can do, not just for the Royal Australian Air Force, what it can do for the Army, what it can do for the Navy, what it can do for the ADF. That's going to be a really exciting journey.